The simple three-step formula I used to earn $5,203.89 per day during lockdown.
The simple three-step formula I used to earn $5,203.89 per day during lockdown by just asking people simple yes and no questions on the internet. The best part is, it also created a residual, ongoing income stream of $2,500 per day. The simple three-step formula responsible for a $156,000 plus profit in 30 days during a pandemic. How to create ongoing income streams of $500 to $1,000 or more per day without having to hustle or take big risks. See real-life examples of how average people of every age are bringing in $500 or more within 24 hours of watching this free training. You'll see how Steve, Carol and more did exactly this with no risk. Why typical business models will not work in today's information-based world and why you should avoid them like the plague. And much more. A product that really works. The strategies we teach within the program are simple enough for anyone to follow and yet incredibly powerful. Students young and old learn exactly how to build massive email lists of their own using incredibly simple pull pages. This is like nothing anyone has ever seen before and makes sense to even the most newbie beginners. Throughout the training program, students are walked step by step through creating their own polls using our proven templates, setting up their own email system and beginning to generate traffic using second-tier sources which are 1/8th the cost of Google, Facebook and YouTube. Register to discover the $5,203 per day formula absolutely free.